So let me tell you my story of how I've changed since moving to Thailand. I used to be a person that's worried about a job. I want money, I want a house, I want possessions, I want a career. It's all go, 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 chasing everything. But now I'm more like good people. I want freedom, health, time, and experiences, peace of mind. Um, so here are some ways I've changed since moving to Thailand. So before I get into today's video, I'd like to apologise for not going live this Sunday. Sunday just gone. I was away and sorting out my new work permit for the year, so I wasn't able to get online and do the live properly. So a live will be coming this Sunday and maybe one during the week, but I apologise again for not running one this Sunday. So I've become less obsessed, less stressed with trying to control everything. When I come here, I didn't know anyone, I didn't know what I was doing, what happened. I couldn't control anything, I just had to go with it. And over the years, this has grown. So now I don't get obsessed with controlling everything. I just let things go how they are. I don't really worry so much anymore. I learned to enjoy the present in life, and not look back or look forward, and enjoy the day, as they say. Happiness doesn't cost anything. It doesn't come with money. Okay, you can be completely happy and not have all the money in the world. So money does not necessarily make you happy. Some people it does, but generally you don't need money to be happy. I'm aware now that a simple life can be a very good life, and it makes you think on how short life is. And to not have to worry about possessions and houses and mortgages and buying the fastest, flashiest car. It sort of changes you in that way. It's how you look at life now. It's completely different. I'm not in a big rush to get everything, the latest and greatest of everything. I'm a very more simple life. As long as I've got petrol, I've got food for the cat and for myself, I've got a roof over my head, I have a good job, I have friends. That's what I cherish here. Having more money does help in certain ways, but does not necessarily make you happy. It does help if you want to do certain things, but I've learnt that you don't need to be rich to be happy. I'm perfectly happy here, and I'm not rich by a long shot. I'd like to be one day, but yeah, it doesn't mean you're necessarily going to be happy if you get money. I've become less concerned about what people think. I used to, back in England, all the time, wouldn't go out the house without my hair done and looking good and things like that. But here, I let it go. I'm not so worried about how I look when I go outside now. I think this is getting older thing as well, but I don't know if it's brought it out because I've been living here or not, but I don't really care as much as what I used to what I look like, to what people think that I look like. It doesn't really bother me that much anymore. I've become adaptable to things here. Timing, Thai time. You never really have to rush here. You don't have to be, like, if you have an appointment at 10 o'clock, you don't have to be there at 10 o'clock. Okay, you can be there at 10:15, 10:20. No one really cares. Okay, Thai time is different. It's hard to explain, but they're quite often late, and it's just one of them things here. It's just how Thai people are, so they call it Thai time. So sometimes things run on their time, so you do have to learn to be patient as well. In England, to be honest, whole of my life, it's one thing I've never had is the patience. I can't stand in queues, like in the bank drives me crazy, standing in the bank queue and things like that. I can't go fishing that well. I just haven't got the patience for things. It annoys me if things take too long. But here, I've started to learn to bite my tongue a little bit and to calm down and think, oh, does it really matter that I'm going to be here another 5 more minutes? So it does. I have calmed down. Um, I am more patient. I 100% say I'm at least 80% more patient than I was when I come here. Some things, don't get me wrong, they push you right to the edge here. Traffic, for example, is can stress you out quite a bit. But again, you've got to learn to just let it go. It's not worth having an accident or an argument. Just be patient, and I've learned that since coming here. I've learned to slow down as well. Not if I have 10 things to do, not necessarily I'm going to rush around all day long try and get all 10 things done. I'm going to realise that there's only so many hours in a day. I can get so much done. It's easier for me and less stress for me to just get a few things done, 5 things done today, and do the rest tomorrow. So I've learned to slow down in that respect and not just rush everything, and take my time so things come out and work out better rather than just rush things. So another big one I've learned is time is more valuable than money. I kind of knew this anyway, but now I'm 45 and not 35 anymore, it sinks in a bit more. I'm more getting old now than I was younger. So, and you realise it only goes one way. So, yeah, that was a bit of a shock. So this is why experiences. Spend your time in life seeing new things, new places, new worlds, rather than sitting at a desk 9 to 5 or seeing only one country. A lot of people just born in their country, they're raised in their country, they die in their country. They don't see anywhere else in the world. But I wanted to see more of this planet, and Southeast Asia in particular. This is why I come this way. I want to dive. Diving is my passion. This is my job. And shortly, when high season starts again, I'm going to be back in the water. But time is more valuable than money, but you do need to earn money if you want to have a life as well. So you need to find that balance. Luckily for me, I did with diving. I can earn a living and also do things that I love. So being here, time and is more valuable than money, but because I can try and do both as well, spend my time doing what I want, diving, and also getting paid for it. So yeah, time is definitely more valuable than money these days. No matter if you arrange it, get everything sorted, not everything always goes to plan, and you've got to learn this here. Things can go wrong, and you can look at it to be stressed about it, or you could start to let things go and realise that it's not the worst thing in the world. It can be fixed. It's a bad day, and look at it a different way in life. So another thing I've learned is how you talk to people. Thailand have a thing called saving face or losing face. You don't really want to make a Thai person lose face, especially in front of other Thai people. You'll see the darker side of Thailand if you do. People in Thailand really don't like to lose face, even if you're right and they're wrong. If you keep arguing and you make them embarrassed in front of people, or you might get yourself hurt. So Thailand have a thing called saving face. So it's really important that you learn how to talk to Thai people. Be friendly, be smiley, don't have an attitude. If you have an attitude, people will turn towards you, and it could get ugly. So if you're nice, Thai people are friendly, they smile, they will help you even if they don't know you. That's the sort of people they are. But if you go with an attitude or with looking a certain way, then it's not going to end well. So saving face, you have to learn this, especially don't learn it the hard way. Luckily I didn't. I learned it from a few friends when I got here, and I've never really had a problem. But something you need to learn, and some good advice: don't make Thai people lose face. Okay, it's better for you. I've also learned to let the little things go. For example, waiting in the queues, things not working, traffic, people cutting in line, all these little things that used to here start to let it go. It does bother me, and I'll suffer in silence in my head, but I tend not to act now and say anything, because if it is a Thai person, again, you don't want to really lose face. And I don't need to be stressed about that. If somebody wants to cut in the line and maybe they're in a rush or whatever, then fine. I'm not going to say anything, being a foreigner here as well. It's their country. So you've got to learn to let the little things go. Don't get stressed over the slightest things. If you got a taxi and they told you 50 baht, okay, you got in a taxi, and when you got there they said 100 baht. And you went, no, you told me 50 baht. And they said, no, 100 baht. Don't argue over 50 baht. Don't make him lose face for 50 baht. You could get yourself hurt. Just pay the 50 baht, buy him, and learn, basically. So, yeah, just be smart about it. Also, my perception of crazy driving has changed. Since living here in Thailand, I thought other places were mad until you come here. If someone comes on you flashing, beeping, move out the way. Don't say, oh, I'm going to sit here, just move out the way. People come flying past you on the left side, they come flying past you on the right side, okay. You have to be very careful. They come out, pull into the road, they don't look, okay. A lot of them are very, very, very young and inexperienced bikes. You see 12-year-olds just batting down the road, you know what I mean? It's crazy. They think because they can twist and go, it's all good, and they can drive a bike. And you see them, they come weaving in and out of traffic. You have to be very careful in Thailand on the roads. The death toll is quite high. So my advice, if you're coming here to live, buy a car. It's a lot safer. Even if you have an accident, you'll live. But bikes are the best way to get around. But depending on your age and what you want to do, but safety first, I'd buy a car if you can. I don't really know what's going to happen in the future. The uncertainty. But I'm okay with that. I've come to accept it, that I don't know what's going to happen. It's kind of a mystery. Who knows what's going to happen for me, but I accept the fact that I'm in, my life is this way, and I will see where it takes me from here on out. But right now, at this very moment, I am quite happy in Thailand. I've been there 11 years and I'm counting. I have no intention of leaving this place whatsoever. I've just renewed my work permit for 1 year. This is why I didn't do a live on Sunday, because I was away. I've just come back from Phang where they do the cards for the work permit. Anyway, it's a long story about that. I couldn't film because it's one big straight motorway basically. It's just me holding on at 80 kilometers an hour on my little moped for like 2.5 hours straight. So I didn't really film it. But I got it all sorted, so my visa is all renewed for 1 year and my work permit is all renewed for 1 year. We still have probably 4 to 6 weeks before high season starts to kick in, and I'll be back to work, but my YouTube channel is still my #1, even though I'm working. I'm coming home, I'm getting on my channel, I'm finishing videos, I'm recording while I'm out, all sorts of stuff. So many videos to come on that. So apologise again for not doing a live, but I was away. But I promise you there will be one this Sunday. I'm going to put a video out to remind everybody that it's coming up and what time. Also, this video is going to come out, which you should be seeing now. But yeah, these are just some of the little things that that's changed me. I've changed in so many little ways, inside and out. The way I look at things, the way I am, to the way I present myself, to many things. I've de-stressed a lot as well, and I owe 90% of it to Thailand and to this country and to how it is here, to the people, to everything, the sunshine. I love England because I'm English and my family and friends are there, but my home is Thailand now, and my friends, my family accept this, and I will get back to see them when I can, and they will come out when they can. But my life has led me here, and right now I am a diving instructor, I am a teacher, I have a good home, I have the right documents, I have good job, good friends, and I am happy, but I am not rich. Okay, I don't have loads of money in the bank, so make of that of what you will. Some people say I'm rich because of what I have. I agree. I don't think money makes you rich. I think, like I said at the start, I've gone from possessions, house, career, to being free, having good health, spending my time wisely, having good people around, having peace of mind, that's stress-free. It's a whole different life compared to the West, and it just suits me. I like it. It's changed me, but I like the changes compared to what I used to be like, stressing and arguing, and yeah, my life. The only stress I have today is to whether the kebab shop will be open tonight, because it wasn't there yesterday. So I'm really hoping that they're going to be there tonight, but this is my biggest worry right now. So again, make of that what you will. Okay, I'm going to say goodbye. If you like today's video or like any of my videos, please subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. It really does help. Pushing for 500 subscribers. I'm at 270. Please help me get on the way. Just hit that little red button just about there. It's all it takes, and it boosts me and it boosts my channel. And any questions, any help I can give anybody, of course, all you have to do is drop me a message on the video, and I will answer anyone that I see. So I love you all, subscribers, new subscribers, possibly people watching my videos for the first time. Welcome. I hope you enjoyed and think about joining. I love you all, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Peace out.